In this video, we are going to talk about the species concept. The introduction of species concept. Species refers to the formation of new species. The study of speciation helps to understand the process of speciation. Species are formed in a variety of ways, and speciation is influenced and controlled by a variety of food. The species is known as keystone of evolution. This speciation is formed by the different processes. Thus, two types of speciation, they are types of speciations. The new species are formed mainly into two ways. One is phyletic speciation, another one is true speciation. What is phyletic speciation? Phyletic speciation, when one species is transformed into another, the species is called phyletic speciation. At any one time, one species exists, it is the transformation in time. Example, species is transformed into another speciation, one another speciation. Species A is transformed. Example, the species A is transformed into species B. That species B transformed into species C, like that. So, phyletic speciation is two types. One is namely autogenic phyletic speciation, and another one is allogenic phyletic transformation. Autogenic transformation. What is autogenic transformation? Autogenic transformation is a phylogenetic speciation where one species is transformed into another species by itself by the operation of evolutionary agents. Evolutionary agents like mutation, natural selection, and also genetic drift and migration. From this type of evolution formed autogenic transformation. Another one is allogenic transformation. Allogenic transformation is phyletic speciation where one species is transformed into a new species by mating with another species. This allogenic transformation is formed by the one species is mating with the another species. Hence, a new species is called new species is formed. This is known. This is called hybridization. Another one in this species concept, true speciation. When one species gives rise to two or more species by a process of splitting or formation is called the true speciation. Means one species is splitting off one or more species. This process is called true speciation. Thus, speciation are formed by the multiplication of the original species. Hence, two or more species coexist with the parental species. Species A is formed into species C and species B and species C. The true speciation is subdivided into two types, namely instant speciation and gradual speciation. Instantaneous speciation and another one is gradual speciation. The instant speciation. What is instant speciation? It is a sudden speciation. The new species develops at a single stroke by chromosomal aberration and mutation. This is formed by the genetic speciation from the sudden changes in the single stroke by chromosomal and chromosomal aberration and mutations. Hugo de Vries believed on instantaneous speciation. Another one true speciation type of true speciation is gradual speciation. Gradual speciation, a new species developed gradual by the accumulation of genetic divergence and reproduction. Reproduction. It is brought about by the operation of elementary for of evolution, such as mutations, recombination, natural selection, and genetic drift. Lamarck believed that the new species developed by the inheritance of acquisition characters. Charles Darwin evolved that new species arise by the natural selection. Uh, this is the introduction of species concept. In another video, we will discuss about the next topic.